Hello everybody, SA Apps Info here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to change your YouTube profile picture easily in 1 minute. So let's start. First of all, update your YouTube app from your Play Store or App Store. This is basically same as Android or iPhone. So open your YouTube app and then click to the profile section and click to the right arrow here, click here and click to the edit channel, and here is your desired option. Click to the profile icon and click to the yellow option, and then you can choose your any picture. So I want to set this picture, and then click to the save as profile picture. After that your profile picture will update. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative tips and tricks.